guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. I am joined with Sophia again. She really just likes looking at herself in the camera. Yeah. And she did get into a little lip gloss, so she's got some beautiful makeup on right now. But today we are going to be doing my Ipsy Unbagging for November. I got another free Ipsy bag, but if you guys like these videos, I will subscribe to Ipsy if you'd like. But I got an email saying that I had a free bag, so I figured I might as well do it if it's free. So we will go ahead and start unbagging it. So this is this month's bag. It's like a blue bag with hearts and then gold detailing. I like that they did gold detailing. It feels like fake leather, and we will unbag it. It feels very light. So let's see. So the first thing is this card for the month. Hang on. And it just has like a little text message conversation thing. I really feel like these cards are pretty well pointless because it doesn't give you any information on your products. But we will go ahead and keep going. So the first thing that I grabbed is this Nomad Stockholm Midnight Sun. I don't know what that is, but we will see. Oh, it is an illuminating highlighting powder. Smooth blendable highlighter with fun, and this is cruelty-free and vegan, so if that's important to you. Oh my god, it's so tiny! It just says Nomad, and then it has all of the information, and it is in Midnight Sun. That is so cute! So the next thing is another tiny little jar. This is the Extraordinary Translucent Powder from Ciate, London. It's a very, very tiny jar, and I think it's just like loose setting powder. Yep, just a tiny little sifter, and this is 1.5 grams of product. The next item, this is from Sand and Sky, a tiny sample. It is an Australian pink clay pore refining face mask. Detoxify and brighten. It's 13 grams of product. I can probably get a few uses out of this. It's good enough to see if I like the product. And the next thing is, feels like a brush. It is a brush. This is, I don't know how to pronounce this. Gaseous eye shader brush. It's a very, very fine little brush. I think it would be good for under the eye. Honestly, it really seems like cheap quality, but oh well, I got this bag for free, so can't complain. And the last thing in my bag is another little tube. This is the MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance Base Primer, or Base Lumiere, Natural Radiance. I think it's a primer. It's just a tiny little sample, and it is 0.2 fluid ounces, so really small sample, probably like just 1 or 2 uses out of this, but I'm excited to try this product. And if you don't want to watch my try on, you're welcome to leave the video now. If you want to keep watching me try out the products and see the quality, then keep on watching. Okay, so now I'm going to try on all my products. I'm first going to start out with this Australian pink clay mask from Sand and Sky. My only problem is that I have no idea if this is a peel-off mask, if I wash it off, because this has absolutely no instructions. So I'm going to look it up, I guess, and see how I'm supposed to apply it. But I'm just going to apply it in my, like, the T-zone, really where I'm worried about my pores, and I will get right back to you. I just put on the mask like not even that long ago, and it's already drying down to a powder. It was kind of like a gray purpley color, and it was so sticky going on, and it's like immediately drying. I definitely think this is, I'm so sorry, she just needs a nap again, and she wants this open. It's not for babies. It's not for you. Throw fits. Anyways, it's already turning very, very white, and I think this is definitely a wash-off mask. But I'll wash it off and let you guys know. This stuff is really awesome. It tightened up so quick and dried so fast. Like, applying to washing my face took less than 5 minutes. So I'm definitely into this mask, and it was easy to wash off. It came off easy, and it wasn't like uncomfortably tight or uncomfortably sticky, but my face does feel like really soft and nice now. So I'm definitely gonna recommend this to you guys. The next product that I'm gonna try is this MAC Prep and Prime. It's in Radiant Yellow, so I'm not sure how yellow it is, but we'll just have to see. I've never tried a MAC primer. I don't like that this doesn't have like a foil cover on it or not. That is very yellow. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but that's pretty yellow. It looks like banana pudding. So we're going to put that all over our face. Just from first use of that, we'll just have to see how my makeup applies on top. But this is like very sticky, but it feels almost like a moisturizer. And I feel like you can't even tell that it was yellow before I put it on. So I like this so far, but we'll just have to see. I'm going to go put on my foundation, concealer, brows, and then probably just a little bit of eyeshadow. And then I'll come back so we can use the highlighter and the eyeshadow brush and then the translucent setting powder too. So I'll see you guys in just a second. So I just did everything off camera. I did lipstick, liquid bronzer, and blush because I haven't set my face yet. I did a little bit of eyeliner and just easy shadow and eyebrows and foundation and concealer. And we are going to try this translucent setting powder as someone spits in my face. I don't know. That sticker's hard to get off there. Here we go. Alright, so I don't really know how to do this, the best way to do this. But I think I'm just going to drop some into the lid. And I'm going to be using my, shoot, I can't remember what, I think it's Aesthetica. And this is the P12, the writing's like completely off of it. But we got this in a boxy charm. So it looks pretty white. I'm just going to set it under my eyes first. It just seems like a translucent powder. I zoomed myself in and changed my exposure, so this should be a little bit easier to see everything. So I apologize. I apologize if you couldn't see me put on the translucent powder, but it's a translucent powder. I feel like it works just like any other translucent powder. But right now I'm going to finish off my eye look. I'm going to use that little eye brush that I got. And I'm going to use this Buff Collection Pure Cosmetics palette that we got in a Boxy Charms like a year or two ago. I think it was 2 years ago. And it's like a knockoff of the Naked 3, I think. And I'm just going to take the shade Dune and put that under my lash line. Okay, that didn't really do much. So I'm going to use the shade, I'm going to mix the shades Mojave and, oh, I can't really see, Mojave and Mesa, is that what this is? Yeah, Mesa. Sorry, my palette's really dirty. And I'm going to do that under my lash line as well. Okay, so here's my finished eye look. This brush was okay, but it was very, very hard. It wasn't really that soft. It feels soft whenever you put it, but whenever you're putting it on your eye, it actually kind of hurts. It's an okay brush. It might just go in Sophia's Play Makeup brushes, but it works okay for the lower lash line, but I'm not sure what else I would use it for. I'm going to finish my wing and put on mascara, and then we'll come back for the highlighter. Okay, so last but not least is that Nomad highlighter. I'm really excited for this. It looks really pretty. I'm going to just take my Lexi 522 tapered highlighter brush. Got this in a Boxy Charm a few months ago. Dip in and apply it to the apples of my cheeks. Or the highlights of my cheekbones. I'm also going to use it on my inner corner for an inner corner highlight. Is not like super noticeable. It looks really good in my tear duct, but it's not like super noticeable in the cheekbones, but I kind of like it. It's lighter, so if you were any darker than me, I would think it would be I think it might be a little bit too light for you, but I do like that it's like kind of natural and it looks like more just like my skin's kind of dewy. So I really do like this highlighter. And I think that the things I'm most excited for in my box are definitely the highlighter and the mask. I really like those. The other products are okay, but I mean, they just seem like basics, so I'm not mad to have them. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and comment. Let me know what your favorite thing was in my Ipsy bag or your Ipsy bag if you get them. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.